The entire room is wired through this panel right here.
Right. Okay.
So you can hear music playing. Zones, or 3 different zones, one on the bar, one in the lounge, and then one in the bedroom. You can choose music from all of those. So yeah, this is the
Guys, we're not even.
You guys, you haven't seen the best part.
And as you can see, we've got these 4 TVs are kind of all wired separate.
Oh my God!
This is probably where you'll be spending most of your time.
Yes. I think so.
We've got this area here, obviously the bar. That can be, I don't know how, if you guys are working with food and beverage,
So Pierce, what you think?
If you want
It's
help,
amazing. I'm very excited about this.
We'll just ask for George.
I feel like I'm gonna have to dress for the room though.
Are you getting the view?
I was actually more impressed with the bicycle storage than you can see.
And then there's also several there's a lot in this common area.
Should I go ahead and move in here? And the 8 Ball has said without a doubt I should move in here.
Go ahead. Here they come.
Hey!